At the next stop sign, turn left. At the stop sign, turn left onto West Ray Street. In 1.9 miles, turn.
Hello guys, I'm here in Rolling Fork, Mississippi, and we're going to see the progress after 1 month from the tornado happened in March 24th. This is Ernesto with Ernesto Explores in the Mike Magazine. Starting on this building. See lots of damages here. It's like this probably was probably a clothing store selling lots of clothes. See, this is the ground. See, this is the damage after the tornado. There's a telephone there. This seems to be the cashier area. Look at the ceiling. It's really severely damaged. This seems to be like, this is like a severe damage here. But the insulation pipes, ceiling, see that seems to be loose, so anytime it could just fall down. See the electrical wiring. The tornado really was so severe that hit this Rolling Fork building. And this seems to be like in a fashion outlet. I have a model here. Deer Creek Pilot. The Honorable Robert Morganfield. Looks like this is like a music place. I see a musical note over there. And the floor is so unstable. See all the glass fragments here. These small fragments of glass broken into smithereens. See the stop sign. The stop sign remains intact. But really lots of electrical wiring here. See another street light. Some more damages over there too. This is also severely damaged. Nothing's left. Street sign, stoplight sign. This is a stop sign. It's like a Chinese store. Samsung. Severely damaged. This kind of smells bad here too. Ceiling. Looks like a grocery store, an Asian grocery store, because of the name Samsung. And the flooring is wet. Really lots of damages. A lot of work to do. Okay, that's it guys. I'm leaving Rolling Fork, Mississippi now. And thank you for watching. Let's pray to God for the recovery of Rolling Fork and the safety of everyone, all the residents of Rolling Fork and surrounding areas. God bless us all. This is again Ernesto with Ernesto Explores and the Mike Magazine, signing off. Rolling Fork, Mississippi.